The blast was caught on tape by a nearby resident who was then caught in the shockwave that ripped apart his home and dozens of buildings. The explosion was also captured by a passing motorist on a nearby highway. The driver nearly blown off the road. American and Albanian teams are moving the ammunition when it exploded. There's no word yet on what caused the detonation. Officials say at least 4 people were killed and nearly 250 injured. Those numbers are expected to rise.